Welcome back once again. If you want to hit that nail right on the head like a beast, then you come to the right place when it comes to learning math. We're going to continue on with a general math construct, part 3, a lesson in reality. If you haven't heard parts 1 and 2, I suggest you go back and do it, because what would be math if you didn't start at number 1, advance to number 2, and continue on with number 3. Let's get to it! Math is fake, so I tried to establish that, right? It's as real as you want it to be. So what is one piece of chocolate plus a 1 scoop of peanut butter? Very simple question. Simple, right? So think about that. Put it on pause if you need to, but 1 piece of chocolate plus 1 scoop of peanut butter. Well, what's your answer? Did your answer come up with a 1 peanut butter cup? So here we see something. We see that I took 2 unlike things, added them together, and got something out of that. And I got from 1 plus 1 was equal to 1 of something else. So the question you should be asking yourself, is it possible that 1 plus 1 equals 1? Is this possible? Well, look at the picture. What do you see? I mean, is that not proof enough to you? So yeah, it can be. 1 plus 1 equals 1 of something. What that something is, you're going to have to define in your own mind. You're going to have to make sense of that in your mind. But all we've done is shown you that 2 separate things added together could equal 1 whole entire thing in its entirety. Well, you're going, oh my goodness, this is crazy. This is not what they taught me at school. This is not what my teacher, if I put 1 plus 1 equals 1, my teacher's going to go crazy at school. You're going to give me an F. She's going to give me an F. I'm not going to get into college, and I'm not going to be rich, and I'm not going to have a bunch of money and a family and all this. But it's much simpler than that. It's much simpler than that, because as you progress throughout your education and you progress through school or a trade school or whatever you go into, you'll realize in certain fields like engineering or computer science, there are no 2's in computer science. There is no 2. That might be hard for people who don't know about computer science, but there's no number called 2. Okay, so 1 plus 1 in binary code is actually called 1, 0. Okay, whether you understand what that means or understand what that's about, it doesn't matter. All you need to know is that there is no 2 sometimes. So there's no way of explaining some things. Like, it's kind of hard to explain how you get a peanut butter cup out of 1 plus 1, right? It's kind of hard to explain how 1 plus 1 equals 1, but it did. Okay, so that's what's important. If you want to keep learning math with a good teacher, you know what to do. Have a good day.